warning today, it's a new target for thieves.
Yeah, by now we know catalytic converters are stolen frequently, but now there's something else you need to keep an eye out for.
Well, if you drive a truck, be on alert. Thieves may target your tailgate.
For catalytic converters and tailgates.
Criminals aren't after the trucks themselves, though, but rather the rear tailgate.
A Gresham man is accused of stealing as many as 20 tailgates from trucks.
Now, replacing a stolen tailgate can cost a person thousands.
Bizarre theft that's easier to pull off than you might actually think. Crooks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Thieves aren't just targeting catalytic converters this holiday season. Tailgate thefts are also on the rise.
People out there stealing tailgates.
Tailgates are now equipped with this expensive technology.
All trucks now have backup cameras integrated into their systems,
which can cost thousands to replace.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Carson here with Tacoma Lifestyle. Today we wanted to show you one of our favorite go-to products, and I think it is a must-have. As you've seen probably all over the internet right now, there is a big problem with trucks in general, especially Tacomas, and that is getting their tailgates stolen. I know it sounds crazy. We're not sure why people are stealing tailgates, but tailgate theft is unfortunately a big issue, but we have found a solution right here. This is the Pop and Lock Tailgate Defender. It only takes about 30 seconds to install and is only $30. So let's get to the install. We're gonna walk you step by step what to do right here. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is for someone to steal your tailgate. All you gotta do is lift up, take this cord off, and your tailgate pops off just like that. So as you can see, it is super easy to steal these. All they gotta do is remove one clip and lift the tailgate right off. It could happen in a matter of 10 to 15 seconds. All right, so this is what the device looks like. First, you're gonna start with just taking off that cap. Then you're gonna put the key in, turn, and release the top bracket, just like that. So as you can see, there's this more straight bend, and then there's this harder bend right here. This is supposed to be on the top side. So just like that, it's gonna go in just right there. All right, so to start, you are first going to lift up here and pull this latch. You will then see on the tailgate, you got to angle it up, and you'll be able just to pop that right out of place, just like this. All right, and now this is going to expose this piece right here, where the tailgate defender is going to grab onto. Just a note when installing this, you want this side that has more of a turn or a curve to be on the top side. So all you're gonna do is grab this, put it right there, and you can then pop your tailgate in just like that. Now you can grab your key, and that's just going to plug right in. All right, then you'll see that will snap in, and you can pull your key, put this right back in, and that is 100% installed. We'll throw this back over.
Sorry, I'm still...
And that is solid on there. Now you will not be able to release the tailgate because this will stop it. And I gotta say, this thing is built rock solid. No one's getting through that. All right, and that is it. That only takes about 30 seconds to a minute to install and saves you a lot of time and money and will protect your tailgate from getting stolen. If you want one of these, we will throw a link right here into the description. Only $30. You'll love these.